In this video, I will explain a C++ language to control 7 segments with cut up and cut down. The video is divided into 5 parts, namely main connect, mature list, code analysis, prequel connection diagram, and final effect. This is part 1, main connect. My homework is write a C++ language to control 7 segments with cut up and cut down. Next is the second part. The materials used are for one Arduino unit, one resistance, and one breadboard. 14 2-point wire and one segment and one 7 segment and 2 switch. This is part 3, the overcode. This is a program that controls the 7 segment digital tube to display numbers and has a push or reverse function. Next, I will explain each part separately. This is the first part, increase commons and reliability. This code defines the Arduino pin numbers for each segment of the 7 segment display. The enabling input stores the data for whether each segment of the digits 0 to 8 is linear or not. Each summary corresponds to the on or off state of each of the 8 segments of a digital, including the decimal point. This is part 2. Array mapping and variable declaration. Two maps. Two mapping areas are created here. Segments, which map logical segments to physical points, and waypoints, pins, which organizes button pins. State variables required for program operation are also declared, including a push flag, a decoration, and the current display number. This is part 3, time control and debounce variables. These variables control the update time of the digital display and the button debounce function. Last update time records the last update time. Interval sets the update frequency. Last reading and stable state store the button state, and debounce data sets the debounce time T result. This is part 4, setup initialization function. The initialization function states the digital tube pins to output mode and the button pins to input pull-up mode. It's also initialize the button state reading variables, sets the initial update time, and displays the initial number. This is the part 5, digital tube display function. This function controls the display of specified number by looping through the 8 segments and setting the level of each segment according to the data in the code table, thereby lighting or extinguishing the corresponding segment to form a number. This is the sixth part, button processing function. This function implements button state detection and debugs processing. It reads the current state of the button, updates the time stamp, then the state changes, confirms the stable state. After the debugs delay and triggers the corresponding function switch. This is the seven part. Mean loop logic. The mean loop logic continuously processing button inputs and updates the displayed number at a set interval. When not pushed, it increments or decrements the number based on the decoration flag, and finally refresh the digital tube display. This is the core control flow of the program. And this is part for the current connection diagram. The 7 segment 8 pins of the display are connected to pin 2 to 9 respectively, and the 2 switches are connected to the pin 10 and 11 respectively. And this video is shows the final result. First is the Arduino code use. And then I start running the code. Its display will automatically start to circle through the numbers 1 to 9. 然后呢，and then pressing the road button will push the display, and pressing the yellow button will reverse the display. 然后 changing from 1 to 9 to 9 to 1. If pressing the yellow button again, will display 1 to 9 again. Okay, my explanation is over. Thank you for everyone.